In this video, I'm going to be showing you the 5 easiest ways to get any emote that you want fast as possible in Clash Royale. Now to get started, the very first and the easiest way by far that I've gotten most of my emotes from is if we just log onto the game like I've done so here, and then go over to the collection option and click on emotes. You can see right here, these are all of my emotes, but if we scroll down past all of this, you can actually favorite some of these emotes. And basically, if you favorite some of these emotes, they have a lot higher odd of showing up in your shop right here. If we scroll down to the very bottom, you can see right here, you get 3 daily emotes that you can actually buy for 250 gems. You can get gems really easily if you just do the Pass Royale or just the daily chest from ladder matches. They often contain gems. And basically, when you favorite one of these emotes, it has a lot higher odds of just showing up in your shop. This is how I've gotten a lot of my favorite emotes personally. But basically, you just click on it and then you can buy it for gems. And if you don't want to have it as a favorite anymore, you can basically unheart the emote. But this is by far the easiest way, just checking the shop daily, emotes that you may have favorited, and seeing if they show up in the shop and then buying with them with gems. Now the second way to get emotes extremely fast is just by completing the challenges. You can see right here, I'm on the home screen, and then you can click on this trophy icon to change the game mode. There's often challenges constantly going just in the game. You can see right here, if you get X amount of wins, then you basically get these free emotes, and often they aren't too high up unless it is the 20 win challenge, where you do have to get at least 17 wins to unlock these super exclusive emotes. Now for the third method is you can actually just do the Pass Royale. Now almost every season there's at least one free emote, and there's also one emote if you do get the pass, you don't have to buy it. But if you do want to not miss out on legendary emotes, often legendary emotes will never be seen again in the game after they disappear from these Pass Royale events or just challenges in general. So if it is a legendary emote, your odds of getting it are significantly lower, but just doing the pass and completing it will often give you a remote. And the fourth way is you can actually do your Supercell ID. You can get up to 6 emotes by doing this if you just click on the 3 lines in the top right hand corner of the game and then click on settings and log in using your email or phone number and entering the 6-digit code. You can get an absolutely free chicken emote, and you can also get a few more if you just go into Safari or Google and basically just type in ID Supercell like so. You can go to the ID Supercell website rewards, and you can see right here, once you're on the website, you can log in the top right. You can see right here, we can scroll down and click on Clash and just view all of the rewards and emotes that you can actually get on the screen, as well as exclusive tower skins. However, the catch is you do need X amount of points. You can see this one needs 2,500 points, and you get about 750 points for about $10 spent. So yeah, these do take some real grinding and real money to actually earn, but they are free technically. And the fifth way is sometimes they'll actually drop QR codes where you can actually scan the QR code or just click on the link and it'll give you a completely free emote to the game. Now an emote they did this for recently is the 6-7 emote, which you can just click on a link and it will actually give you it for free. Now this is not very often, there's not many emotes like this at all, and they're always limited time offers, so it's important to play consistently if you do want any of these emotes. And the bonus method to get any of these emotes is simply just by completing ladder. There's 4 emotes that you can actually just get by trophy pushing. You can get the clapping royal ghost emote, firecracker, or the night cheering emote just on this game. And just some general tips when playing this game, it's important to play consistently. Legendary emotes, for example, will only be here for a few days or a month at latest, and once they're gone forever. So the easiest way by far is just go into your collection and simply hearting any of these emotes that you do want to show up in the shop and then buying them for 250 gems. That's how you can obtain almost every emote that you may be looking for. But if there's any other main way besides just hearting the emotes like I've gotten most of my emote collection personally, please let us know in the comments, and thank you so much for watching.